In this problem, we solve an absolute value equation. We'd like to find all real solutions, if any, to the equation the absolute value of 2x minus 3 plus 7 equals 10. We'd like to isolate the absolute value portion. We're going to do that by subtracting 7 from both sides. If we subtract 7 from both sides, we'll have the absolute value of 2x minus 3 is equal to 3. At this point, we eliminate the absolute value sign by writing 2x minus 3 is equal to 3, or 2x minus 3 is equal to negative 3. The idea here is that we're taking the absolute value of something that equals 3. The absolute value represents the distance from 0 on the number line, so that could be 3 or negative 3. So we set the quantity that's inside the absolute value equal to 3 or negative 3. Now we solve each of these equations. Solve our first equation by adding 3 to both sides. It'll give us 2x is equal to 6. And then we'll divide both sides by 2 to get x is equal to 3. The second equation, we'll add 3 to both sides. It gives us 2x is equal to 0. Divide both sides by 2. It gives us x is equal to 0. So the solution set for this equation would be the set 0, 3. Because we changed the form of our original equation when we were solving this problem, we should go back and check the values that we found as our solution to make sure that they actually work in the original equation. We were solving the equation, the absolute value of 2x minus 3 plus 7 equals 10, and we found our solutions to be x equal to 0 and x equal to 3. We're going to plug each of these values back into this original equation to make sure we get a true statement. Starting with x equal to 0, we have the absolute value of 2 times 0 minus 3 plus 7 equals 10. 2 times 0 is 0 minus 3, so we'll have the absolute value of negative 3 plus 7 equals 10. The absolute value of negative 3 is positive 3. So we get 3 plus 7 equals 10, or 10 equals 10. So x equal to 0 checks as a solution. Checking x equal to 3, the absolute value of 2 times 3 minus 3, and plus 7 equals 10. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So the absolute value of 3 plus 7 equals 10. The absolute value of 3 is 3. We have 3 plus 7 equals 10, or 10 equals 10. And so our second solution also checks. So the solution set is indeed 0, 3.